Here we have a demonstration of how to start fire without matches. Tell us the process you're going through right now.
This is the hand drill method. Just taking two pieces of wood. The piece of wood in my hands is goldenrod, which is a typical weed you find in this area. The bottom is a piece of cottonwood with a hole we're drilling in it with a notch to the side. As you rotate this goldenrod, the ash shoots out the side and will eventually ignite into a coal if we get enough heat going. And you'll know that's happening when the pile of ash there is actually smoking. So, see if we got that. You can see the ash on this leaf is smoking good, which means it's ignited. Then I take the ash and transfer it into a nest. This is just bark from a juniper tree, bark from most trees. The inside bark works, or mashed up leaves or whatever you have, but you can see the coal. Can you see the coal there?
Yeah.
Okay. And we need that coal just to build up a little bit inside the bark with a little bit of air, and then after that gets building up a little bit, I'll just blow it a little bit and it goes into a flame.
Oh, I see. Wow. That's awesome.